What's going on, YouTube? This is Rocky WCP. I'm here on my next project. So I'm gonna be doing the rust removal here, but this was washed recently. Whoever washed it was inexperienced and messed up. I don't know if you can see it, but they got wet lines all over. So HOA is bugging her about the rust on the bottom, so that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna be using acylic acid. Over here, so you can see the cuts of stripes all over. But I'm not here for that. At this point, it's probably not even worth for her to try to fix it. I think she just needs to paint it. But I'm not here for that either. That's where we at. I'll get back to you in a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? I'm done with this house. I'm definitely calling this house Etch-a-Sketch. Whoever did this a week or 2 weeks ago, Etch-a-Sketched the whole house, and they put lines, pressure washing all over it. Look at those lines. I just finished rust removing it and removing the oxidation on the garage door because it had a lot of lines. The customer was telling me that the previous guy couldn't take out the rust, that he was trying to take it out. He couldn't take it out. What he did was oxidize the shit out of it. Look at all those lines. So I hit it with acrylic acid. The rust came out, but can't do nothing with the lines. Whoever did this last did a bad job. They didn't know what they were doing. I told her she has two choices. Remove the oxidation, which is expensive, or paint the house, which I can do both. So painting the house is a little bit more expensive, but she got cracks and all that that needs to be filled. So this paint, I believe, is 6-7 years old, so she definitely needs painting. But I was just here to remove the rust and all the lines on the garage door. Over here is just a little faded from paint. That's called flashings. And they didn't paint it right. That's it for now, people. I'm here just waiting on a customer to get back so I can get paid. See you guys on the next one. I got a couple other videos. Just haven't had the time to sit down. It takes a lot sitting down and going through it. I guess when you're learning, the process takes a lot. But I'm getting there. Little by little, I guess. So, to the next one.